So today I'm working on a 2008 Toyota RAV4. I have a check engine light, code P0302, misfire on cylinder 2. So let's take a look at it. The car is shaking very violently, if you can tell. And when you push on the gas, the car doesn't go at all. So first thing we do is remove this cover. You have 10mm nuts right here. Okay, and then just remove that. So then it's in order 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's number 2. So let's unplug it and see if it gets worse or better, just to make sure that this is cylinder 2. Okay, so I had to use a screwdriver and pry it up a little bit. So once I took it off, it didn't change at all. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I had a little trouble doing it with one hand. I used a pick to push this down, and then I used a flathead to pry this up. So once I took it up, the engine shook even more. So it's definitely this one, because when I take this out, the engine stayed the same. So what I'm going to do next is remove these two 10 mLs and then swap them, and then do the same thing and see what happens. Okay, so I swapped these two, and then I took this plug out, and the engine remained as bad. But when I took this plug out, the engine got worse, like it's about to stall. So definitely this is a bad injector. So I'm going to replace this, and then hopefully this check engine light will go away. Thank you. You can also do this via the scan tool, but I find this to be a lot quicker. Alright, let's go buy this part and see what happens. So I have put in a new one in cylinder 2, and then the engine runs smooth, and then I used OBD2 to clear out the code. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please leave in the comment. Thank you.